Hello again from Elizabeth Shopping Centre, Adelaide South Australia. We're continuing our things of wacky vending machines, and we found ourselves a Hotwheels vending machine here in the shopping centre. Have a quick look up here. Sorry about the glare again. This one's got the prices with it. So they start from $3.50, go up to $4. 6, and they've got different types as well. Stars and stripes, normal. 55th anniversary model there. James Bond. Fast and the Furious. And you come down to the monster trucks down the bottom. $10 for those. More Fast and the Furious. The old Volvo, that's really nice. And the old Merc. Very nice. So that goes along with the Pop Attack Pokemon vending machine that we've already done a recent vlog on. Thanks for looking. Please don't forget to subscribe, help the channel grow.